right, so we are outside of Two Minds, and I am so excited because they are going to be doing the kind of pre-release of Jacquemus's first line with Nike, and it is insane how cool this is. Oh my God, look at the cute puppy. Look at the cute puppy real quick, just real cute puppy. I can't. So cute. That's so cute. All right, so back to what we were talking about. This is pretty much the launch, and this is the entire collection. We're gonna go inside, check it out. He's releasing 2 amazing sneakers. You've already seen my unboxing on one. We're gonna do the second one now. Cool brown colorway that I haven't shown you yet. So let's jump in there and show you what he'll be releasing tomorrow. Well, we've seen this unboxing before, and it is the most incredible pieces I've seen Nike do, honestly, because I'm obsessed with Jacquemus. So let's take a look real quick at what we have. I think honestly this is one of my favorite dresses he's releasing. Beautiful, just nice thin straps that he has on. All of the hardware is gold, which matches the sneakers perfectly. Also comes in a really nice navy color. This is a different actual, ooh, this is super lightweight. It's pretty sheer. I like this though. It's a nice athletic apparel wear. Then we've got a cute little mini skirt, great for tennis. This material though is legit, like super comfy. And we've also got it in the white. Oh, couldn't see on the navy, but there's some spandex that show through underneath. Really nice. And then sports bra, of course, to match. And I'll show you actually on the mannequin, but it does have like this nice detail strap that just wraps around. I feel like I'm gonna have to practice that a couple times. I really love these. This is super cute. Probably gonna have to snag a pair of these. And this hoodie is pretty classic. Cute little white. Little detail there. You've seen these dresses. Let's take a look at the mannequin. Let's look at what this looks like. This is the brown version we've not shown you yet. Which one do you prefer? Brown or this nice kind of beige tan? It's the white version. Again, pretty sure. I love the back detail. Strap detailing there. So pretty.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no I can't.
You're closing out. You can see everybody is piecing out here, heading out. It was a crazy event. I feel like everybody bought a pretty good amount. It's looking kind of slim in there, but there'll be some left over for anyone who wants to shop on Saturday. Great collection. This is the look I decided to go with today. I made this look actually. I wore the biker shorts underneath, some gray socks. I am getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, everybody. I don't know why they love me so much, but you can see it's kind of coming to a wrap in here, but it was a fun event. So if you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe. If you have not already, give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any of those comments or questions down below and hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.
I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs.